One of the other most important things too that we need to consider is this idea with our identity, and we need to be flexible with our identity and have an identity shift in who we are as an individual. So when people are first starting out in their fitness and health goals, they want to lose some weight, they want to gain some strength. A lot of people uh, are still in the same identity of where they were. And what I mean by that is that they want to change. They feel like they want that change. They maybe even could do some of those things to change. But deep down, they don't feel like somebody who does those changes. So um, maybe they're a little self conscious when going to the gym. That's because their identity hasn't changed yet to somebody who goes to the gym. Um, Another example of this might be somebody who's used to eating fast food every day, and they start to try to add some salads and maybe diet a little bit more. So add some salads into their lunches. Maybe they don't eat quite as much out to eat, or they don't go out for fast food quite as much. Their identity, they may still be kind of iffy on that idea of not going out to eat as much because their identity is still based off of somebody who goes out to eat every day. So that's one of the biggest things I need you to have in your mind is that you can change this. You can and should change this. It's literally saying to myself, I'm somebody who cares about my health now. I'm somebody who consistently works out now. I'm somebody who doesn't go to eat fast food for lunch because I want to live a long and healthy life. Um, this takes some work, and that's something I'm going to say time and time again. All these things, sustainability, consistency isn't just a physical thing; it's a mental thing too. This is a mental shift in your identity that needs to take place almost every single day. And even for myself, I've been working out for years. I've been doing, what I think is hopefully health promoting behaviors for years. Um, this is something that still takes work for me. It's a daily thing, and I daily identity check of basically rewriting who you were and who you want to be. So this is why the why, or the reason why we're starting things, is so powerful, because it can really guide your identity shift. So let's give an example. We went back to that why at the beginning of the podcast. We talked about, I want to lose weight because I want to finally fit into a size large shirt, and I've never been able to do that. So you can ask yourself, you know, what would somebody who fits into a size large shirt do from somebody who fits into a size XL large shirt? What would be somebody who takes care of their health, takes care of their weight, so they can do those different things? Those are going to give you some really good behavior changes that you can lead to. So some of the most important things to remember about this is sustainability is key. So that's got to be one of the biggest things that you can change in your life. In addition to this, you need to do something you can enjoy for a really long term. Thanks so much for joining me for this video. I'm going to link some videos down in the pinned comment that you can use to improve your life and fitness. Thanks so much.